Hi, I'm Trang Pham, a registered dietitian for health promotion and wellness at Kennesaw State University. Today, I'm going to show you an easy and delicious sheet pan cooking recipe that will provide you with multiple healthy meals. These sheet pan chicken fajitas are quick and easy to make. Plus, cleanup is a breeze if you line the pan with aluminum foil. You can make the fajita seasoning from scratch or buy a pre-made packet if you're short on time. Just remember that the quick option may have additional sodium and sugar. Before you do any cooking, be sure to wash your hands with soap and warm water for 20 seconds. We're working with raw chicken today, so food safety is important. If you can use a separate cutting board to cut up the chicken, that would be ideal. Otherwise, you can use the same cutting board, but chop your vegetables first, then the chicken. You will also need to cook your chicken to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure that it's cooked thoroughly. Having already prepared healthy foods in your refrigerator or freezer that you can quickly pull out will reduce eating out expenses. It also helps to save time. To learn more great nutrition tips, check out our dietitian's dish videos or schedule an appointment with a health promotion and wellness dietitian at KSU today. Live wise, live well, and thank you for watching.